The RC Motorhomes RC12M is a luxurious Class A motorhome designed to provide unparalleled comfort and convenience for discerning travelers. This opulent RV is built on a sturdy chassis, offering stability and durability for long journeys. Its spacious interior features high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship throughout, creating an atmosphere of elegance and sophistication. The sleeping quarters in the RC12M are nothing short of luxurious, with a master bedroom featuring a comfortable queen or king-sized bed, ample storage space, and a flat-screen TV for entertainment. The bathroom is equipped with a spacious shower, toilet, and vanity, providing all the comforts of home. In terms of technology, the RC12M is equipped with the latest amenities, including touchscreen control panels for managing lighting, temperature, and entertainment systems with ease. Additionally, it offers advanced safety features such as collision avoidance systems, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, providing peace of mind on the road. Luxury home on wheel, Ketterer Continental motorhome. For travelers who want the flexibility of a motorhome but can't bear to part ways with their car, German company Ketterer has the perfect answer. Built using a Mercedes-Benz truck chassis, the Ketterer Continental motorhome is a fully loaded luxury RV with everything you need and want. The sleek motorhome features a luxurious living room, a dining area with a small kitchen, a lounge area, a bathroom, a master bedroom with king-sized bed and a skylight, and even a garage compartment for your smart car. The living room area can seat up to 5 people, and the front of the truck can seat 4 people on seats that rotate for easy conversations. A special highlight of the Continental motorhome is a lateral Ketterer pop-out that can be moved above the ground to 7 meters, thereby extending the living area into a new dimension by almost 1 meter. Moreover, this motorhome can also be tailor-made to your needs by customizing the colors, materials, and even the floor plan. Adria Sonic Supreme. The world of luxury motorhomes with the Adria Sonic Supreme. This exceptional A-Class motorhome offers a unique blend of style, performance, and comfort. With its smart automotive styling and contemporary interior, the Sonic Supreme is designed to provide a luxurious travel experience. It features a loft-style interior with a large panoramic window, multimedia solutions including a Bluetooth sound system with hidden speakers, and adjustable temperature control with alt heating. The Sonic Supreme also offers beautifully organized storage with large cupboards, wardrobe, and innovative solutions. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, the Adria Sonic Supreme ensures you'll travel in first-class comfort and style. STX Eila Edition One, a new advanced motorhome that redefines luxury travel. This special edition truck, designed in cooperation with Eila, boasts a sleek dark gray exterior with yellow accents. Inside, it's a world of luxury with the finest materials. The STX Eila Edition One features 3 supersized pop-outs, providing generous space for a master bedroom, kitchen, extra-large bathroom, lounge area, and even a workspace. It's packed with extras like invisible phone chargers and high-quality black leather seats. This motorhome is like a 5-star hotel on wheels, with a fully equipped kitchen, a living space that doubles as a private cinema, and a spa-like bathroom. It's a dream come true for adventure enthusiasts, offering a luxury adventure like no other. So, if you're ready to meet the future of luxury travel, Newmar King Aire, where luxury meets the open road in unparalleled style. This Class A motorhome redefines the meaning of opulence, boasting a stunning exterior design and a meticulously crafted interior that exudes elegance at every turn. Step inside and be greeted by a spacious living area adorned with high-end furnishings and deluxe amenities. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances for culinary adventures on the go. Relax and unwind in the lavish master suite, complete with a king-sized bed and a luxurious private bathroom. With state-of-the-art entertainment systems and smart technology throughout, the King Aire ensures you stay connected and entertained wherever your travels take you. Experience the pinnacle of luxury RVing with the Newmar King Aire and elevate your journey to new heights of comfort and sophistication. The 2024 4Winds 28Z, a Class C motorhome that offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience. This model features an exterior kitchen with a griddle and a 12-volt cooler, perfect for tailgating. It comes standard with a Ford E-Series chassis, with some floor plans offering an optional Chevrolet chassis. The modern dash is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen radio compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Safety is paramount with a backup monitor for the 8,000-pound hitch and a keyless entry system for hassle-free access. Whether you're a solo traveler or a family of four, the 2024 4Winds 28Z offers various floor plans and decor colors to suit every taste and style, making your holiday adventures unforgettable. Winnebago Forza. The Winnebago Forza is a popular Class A diesel motorhome manufactured by Winnebago Industries. It's known for its combination of luxury, comfort, and performance, making it a sought-after choice among RV enthusiasts. The Forza typically offers various floor plans to accommodate different preferences, ranging from compact layouts suitable for couples to larger designs perfect for families or groups. It often features amenities such as fully equipped kitchens, spacious living areas, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and modern entertainment systems. Additionally, being a diesel motorhome, the Forza usually provides excellent fuel efficiency and towing capabilities, making it suitable for long-distance travel and towing additional vehicles or trailers. Overall, the Winnebago Forza is renowned for its quality construction, innovative design, and reliable performance on the road. Karoo Adventure Camper. The Karoo Adventure Camper is a revolutionary, UV-friendly camping trailer that weighs less than 750 kilograms, making it agile and easy to tow. It's equipped with a 6 kWh lithium-ion battery and solar panels, allowing for exploration beyond fixed power grids. The camper's optimized shape reduces air resistance by 51% compared to traditional Caravans, significantly cutting fuel consumption for both electric and combustion vehicles. It also features a mobile app for full control over the camper's lighting, locks, temperature, and status updates remotely. The camp can be extended by up to 21 square meters with integrated awning modules. The first edition of 500 Karoo Adventure Campers with an extended warranty package is delivered to pre-order customers only. VARIO Signature 1200. Luxurious $1 million motorhome sleeps your family and your Porsche. One of the largest, most expensive new motorhomes to make its debut at the Dusseldorf Caravan Salon that wrapped up over the weekend. The bus-sized VARIO Signature 1200 drives to camp under 523 horsepower of Mercedes engine power. But it can also carry an additional 450 horsepower or so of Mercedes V8 might, housing the likes of a Mercedes SL Roadster, Porsche 911 or Mini Cooper in its rear garage. So you can park the big motorhome at camp and get around with a much more agile vehicle for the remainder of the trip. Though most of the motorhomes we cover are much too small to carry additional vehicles on board, we are quite aware that these behemoths exist. We were fascinated by Fogner's Roadster trays back in 2008, and sports car and ATV swallowing motorhome designs were among the more memorable highlights of our Caravan Salon 2013 visit. Foretravel Motorcoach IH45 Luxury, where every mile is a journey into unparalleled elegance and comfort. This Class A motorcoach is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, setting the standard for luxury RV travel. From its sleek exterior to its lavish interior, the IH45 Luxury exudes sophistication at every turn. Step inside to discover a world of opulence, with spacious living areas, gourmet kitchens equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, and luxurious master suites designed for ultimate relaxation. With state-of-the-art entertainment systems and smart technology throughout, this motorcoach ensures you stay connected and entertained on the road. Whether you're exploring scenic routes or parking for a weekend getaway, the IH45 Luxury offers a level of luxury and refinement that's simply unmatched. Experience the pinnacle of RV travel with the Foretravel Motorcoach IH45 Luxury and make every journey an unforgettable adventure. MOVICO Giant XL. MOVICO expanded its fleet of event structures by launching an innovative mega transformer, the Giant XL. With this new transformer, MOVICO's fleet sets a new standard in the luxury hospitality segment. Discover the Giant XL is the next generation mobile event structures and the ultimate solution for hospitality and brand experiences. In only one single transport, with 2 pair of hands and within 3 hours, a 45-foot container unit transforms into a triple-deck premium venue with a volume of 180 SQM and viewing deck with a capacity for 55 people on top. Equipped with climate control, LED lighting and more tech features, it offers 180 square meters to create an exclusive hospitality area for your guests at sports events and corporate marketing events. I want more information about MOVICO's fleet. "2024 Class C Greyhawk XL, a testament to comfort, versatility, and adventure on the open road." Crafted with precision and innovation, this motorhome embodies the spirit of exploration, whether you're cruising through winding mountain roads or parking by the shore for a weekend getaway. With its sleek exterior design and spacious interior layout, the Greyhawk XL offers ample room for relaxation and entertainment. Step inside to discover a world of luxury, with modern amenities, comfortable sleeping quarters, and a well-equipped kitchen ready to satisfy your culinary desires. From family vacations to solo expeditions, the Greyhawk XL is your gateway to unforgettable experiences. Join the journey and embrace the freedom of RV living with the 2024 Class C Greyhawk XL. Bespoke Helios HGV Horseboxes. The Helios HGV Horsebox range have been designed from the ground up to transport the largest of horses in superb comfort and safety. Exceptional build quality and finish combined with outstanding longevity and a comprehensive specification for each bespoke horseboxes. The unique KPH horsebox shape is the perfect balance between aesthetic appeal, functionality, and most important of all, a pleasing, safe environment that is comfortable for your horses. Designed to look stunning whilst reducing fuel consumption and wind noise, our exclusive curved roof system sets it apart in any crowd. The curved roofline flows into the Helios Luton pod and gives a massive 8 feet 6 inches of horse headroom. Integral to this clever design feature is the full groom's bed above the toilet and shower area. This is done without spoiling the streamlined shape or adding to the overall height of the horsebox. Stepping into the world of unparalleled luxury with the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior. Recognized globally as the most luxurious motorhome, this masterpiece combines features from motorsports, aviation, and yachting. The cab's striking appearance is ahead of its time, manufactured with high-performance carbon fiber materials. The cockpit, inspired by jet cockpits, functions like a luxury limousine. The body construction offers outstanding stability and insulation, comparable to expedition vehicles. One of the highlights is the Sky Lounge, a walled-in roof deck created by an automatic lift system. The interior design creates a true home away from home with a 4-meter couch within reach of a bar, a wine cabinet, and an ice maker, not to mention a large TV screen across the room. The open kitchenette adds to the spacious interior atmosphere. The bathroom is discreetly separated from the living room and master bedroom. So, if you're ready for an extraordinary travel experience, the Marchi Mobile Element Palazzo Superior is ready to take you there. Liberty Coach Showcase 2022, where luxury meets the open road in the most exquisite fashion. This showcase presents a collection of meticulously crafted Class A motorhomes, each a masterpiece of design and engineering. Step inside and immerse yourself in a world of opulence, where every detail has been carefully curated to elevate your travel experience to new heights. From the spacious living areas adorned with premium materials to the state-of-the-art entertainment systems and gourmet kitchens, the Liberty Coach Showcase offers a level of luxury that is simply unmatched. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or seeking a luxurious retreat, these motorhomes promise to exceed your expectations at every turn. Join us as we unveil the epitome of RV excellence with the Liberty Coach Showcase 2022. OffGrid Lotus Caravans, the ultimate adventure companion that combines rugged durability with a luxurious home-away-from-home experience. These caravans are built to withstand any challenge, enabling you to embrace the great outdoors with confidence. Whether you're camping in the outback or exploring challenging terrains, the OffGrid delivers exceptional performance and reliability. With its versatile floor plans and customizable options, you can create a space that comfortably accommodates your family's needs. Experience the convenience of modern amenities, including air conditioning, premium kitchens, and a fusion entertainment system. Equipped with advanced power capabilities and ample lighting, the OffGrid allows you to venture off-grid while enjoying the comforts of home. Get ready to embark on unforgettable adventures with the OffGrid by your side.